Hello and welcome back to MMS News.
It's time for our segment of Bad News Blues. Over to you, Sadie.
Thank you, Chelsea. Bad News Blues. We're going to be talking about animal testing and how it hurts innocent animals, humans, and is also very wasteful. These are some products that have been tested on animals, such as Banana Boat sunscreen, Crest toothpaste, Neutrogena products, Love products, CoverGirl products, and Glade products. And this is a graph of the animal testing rates from 1999 to 2003 and how it keeps on increasing over 5 years. Thank you, Chelsea.
Thank you, Sadie. And animal testing is very cruel. Shouldn't those scientists know that testing on animals are going to have completely different reactions than humans do? This is going to harm humans as well.
That's very true, Chelsea. Plus, can you imagine how much money it costs to do all these experiments? Just think of all the equipment that's needed. Would you really want to test on these poor innocent animals when we have other alternatives?
Some people give their bodies to science. If we use those bodies to test on, we don't have to hurt the poor animals.
Testing on bodies will prevent hurting other animals, humans, and wasting products.
So don't buy products that have been tested on animals. Animal testing is wrong. And that is the end of our segment, Bad News Blues.